This is a tutorial on how to use the Rockwell hardness tester. Place the desired specimen in the jig. Ensure the hardness test is set up correctly with the proper indenter and corresponding major load. Reference the table on the hardness tester to know which indenter and loads to use. Turn on the power using this switch on the back right. Rotate the elevation control ring clockwise to raise the platform. Carefully raise the specimen until it makes contact with the indenter. Continue to raise the specimen until the small black needle is vertical, indicating proper contact has been made and proper preloading has been applied. After making proper contact, do not raise or lower the specimen further in order to avoid inaccurate data. Zero the gauge by adjusting the dial so that the long black needle points to the 0 on the desired scale. Begin the test by pressing down the lever at the base of the hardness tester. After the long black needle has settled, read the desired scale on the gauge and record the hardness value. Carefully back the indenter out of the specimen by turning the elevation control dial counterclockwise. Repeat this process as many times as desired. Turn off the hardness tester once testing is completed.